The Honor 600 is here, and it's packed with a massive battery, a 200-megapixel camera, and flagship-level performance. Is this the best mid-range phone of 2026? Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My technological world. Hit the like button, click the bell icon, and subscribe to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the brand new Honor 600, one of the most exciting smartphones of 2026. Let's start with the design. The Honor 600 comes with a premium glass finish and a sleek, modern look that feels like a flagship device. The 6.6-inch AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate makes everything super smooth and visually stunning. Now let's talk about performance. This phone is powered by the latest Snapdragon processor, paired with up to 12 GB RAM. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using heavy apps, the Honor 600 handles everything with ease. One of the biggest highlights is the camera. It features a powerful 200-megapixel main sensor that captures incredibly detailed photos. Perfect for photography lovers and content creators. Battery life is another strong point. With a massive battery, you can easily get a full day or even more on a single charge. Plus, fast charging keeps you going without long waiting times. On the software side, it runs on the latest Android with Magic OS, offering a smooth and user-friendly experience. Honor continues its teaser campaign for the 600 series. In late March, Honor started teasing the upcoming 600 series in Malaysia, and today, the brand is continuing the teaser campaign on its global X account. The post associated with the images you can see below reads, "Get ready for an epic upgrade," which makes us think we should expect the 600 series to be well above the 500 series. So overall, the Honor 600 is shaping up to be a complete package with performance, style, and power. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech videos. Thanks for watching.